Oh my carbon honey. Balisongs. These things are interesting. I mean, I've been collecting them for a while. I have quite a few. You know, they're a knife. They have two handles. The handles swing open, you know, like this. Ooh, wow. This is a cheap one that I picked up off of AliExpress for $45. $45 is an incredibly low price point for Balisong, considering that this guy was $250. But yeah, Balisongs aren't cheap unless they're bad. Some good lower-end Balisongs exist. The Volp is a great option for $60. It's great. But once you get below that price point, you start to get things like this. This guy was made by a manufacturer known as The One. And this guy sucks. The blade is too light, the handles are too heavy for flipping. Like, it is possible to flip, but I wouldn't recommend it. Just because of all of the factors put together. If I were to recommend something cheap, I would recommend this guy. The Squiddy Bee. It's about $60. It's made of plastic. It's great for beginners, because you won't slam metal against your hands. It's very light. It's made of plastic. It's made by Squid Industries, which is a very well-known company. It's great. But obviously, if you want something really good, you're gonna have to fork out the cash for it. Oh my carbon honey, not again. This guy, the Kraken, as I've said, $250. But the Kraken is probably the best performing Balisong you can ever buy. Oh, it hurt the moya.